Casey.
And I am Lane.
And we're from Proud Bisaya Bay. So, mga bay, nato diri karon sa The Great Canteen. There is asa ganin siya, Lane?
Atbang sa Velas.
Oh, yes.
Atbang ba?
Doon ra jud siya sa
Doon
Velas
ra,
Hospital. So, dali na ba siya tulon, no?
Yeah.
So, anong naman ta diri, Lane?
Mag-celebrate ta sa atong 2nd anniversary.
Wow, grabe! Nakaabot siya sa 2nd anniversary.
Kami
ang
lagi
Proud-
mo.
Hugot lagi dayo, no?
Proud Bisaya Bay. Ari na lang tayo ko ngayon. Mag-stay pag
Sana all makaabot og 2 years to.
Sige na.
Anyway, so pas gigutom ra ka late so tanaw daw nato tong mga pagkaon diri. Syempre, deserve jud ni sa Proud Bisaya Bay na magpakita jud ano, abi pa lang.
Syempre,
So, by the way guys, we ordered our catering from the Lunette Catering. So, yes guys.
Makalipong ang kabuto. Makalipong si Tanaw. Sige guys.
So, karon guys, natay mga dishes there, you know, mo siya ang beef with mushroom.
Sa mga
Kani siya, pork asado. And then here, green mango with bagoong. Ano na siya, appetizer or
here,
dessert
yeah,
ba?
mango.
Huwag lang, ano na siya. Anyway,
Kaya ilang mango. Social.
kani, lasagna.
Uy, kalami ano eh.
Oh my
Busog dyan yung
gosh.
Proud Bisaya. Ano, humot?
Humot kayo!
Humot, lagi kayo na.
Nasa tayo, sa Manilin.
Corn shell, chicken
Chicken chunks with honey sauce.
Napay, lemon. And chow pat chin.
Chow pat chin. Chow pat chin, din siya naman sa ato. Ani kayo mo ng chop suey. Hindi ka Manilin, sa Manilin.
Mawa ang rice.
Yes, did you know ang rice?
Bawal mag-diet for today's video. So guys, if you want to order, you can call Lunette's Catering. You can contact them on Facebook. Dili dyan mo magmahay kay garantisado na lami na.
Yes.
Mabusog pa ka, di ba? Asan sila na-locate?
So, by the way guys, they are located at F. Jaca Street, Cebu City. So, kung order mo, mag-inquire mo, contact na lang mo diretso sa ilang Facebook, no? By the way, they cater all kinds of events like birthdays, weddings, anniversary. Ano sa pa mga occasion na dapat na kuan? Pwede break up?
A break up. Sige, mag-cater sa ta. Congrats on your break up.
So guys, we're still waiting for some others and we're waiting guys. So there are waiters na nag-set up. Uy, happy anniversary, Saray! Happy anniversary! Sana ang kabot!
Private school, mga kuan, maham, abilyan na dito sa maham. Hello everyone, may gabi. Good evening sa tanan. Good evening! Tonight we are celebrating a very special occasion, which is our 2nd anniversary. Pakpak na po sa kanila. Inviting your host for tonight. Everybody, I am Ryan and this is...
I am Lane, your cute Napoli. I'm now your head writer.
For tonight, we will have a very short kanang program no for us before we start our food. So let me pass the microphone.
Ay, okay, thank you.
Alright.
Diba? So, actually guys, I think even though this is just a small setting, no, it is very important for all of us na nagkahiusa once again. Imagine
Nagkahiusa!
Father, Son, and Spirit. Heavenly Father, thank you for this wonderful blessing to celebrate the 2nd year.
So, we're getting to know each other since 2 years na ta, and I know there will be upcoming years to come. So, let's look forward to getting to know each other. I'm gonna start with the staple. Magunsa man sila. Dapat daw kanang setting sa classroom na mo stand.
Nga pinakurog-kurog ka nang Sure.
Hi guys, thank you for the 2 years. Bisa ginanir ako.
Lord.
Pete Abeliana, official photographer. Hello, this is Pete.
Yeah.
Facebook.com,
Photography.
Anton Pete.
Yep.
Hey guys, so I'm Blake Day, I'm 25 years old, fourth year medical student. So, contributor.
May gabi ito na. Sir, I challenge you. You speak Bisaya. Yeah. Great.
Nalipay ko na-meet na ko si Kamutanan sa here sa PBB. Pero actually, ang first na-introduce na ko ang PBB si Michael. Drone pilot, contributor, life insurance agent. Sila Kamote pilot. Si Kinsuman. Sir, mana Sir Arya? Si God, si katong ginumon.
Go, baby. Sige, anyways. Kaya na, continue.
To drone pilot, panag sa all around.
Model and
Inspiration with the group. Wala pa inspiration sa group. Wala inspiration.
inspiration.
Inspiration kay Sir Ariel.
So, I'm Daisy. PA1 is...
Hello. Grabe ha. Ka-outfit ba?
Sige na ako. Muli ko na ako kayo.
Grabe ha. Moday na guys sa guys. Tareng. Go now day. Go now day. Go now day. Go now day.
Happy second anniversary! Proud to say us Pass ang ganyan.
Drop a text to your homies. So boy, I'ma put this shit in a car.
Okay guys, shower time.
When you can't get in on the hard goes up, boy. You make me cry, but boy, I'm not. I'ma put your shit in a cardboard box. Changing my number and I'm changing the locks. Never liked your mama, so I guess she's blocked. You make me cry, but boy,
Happy birthday to you!
but boy, I'm not. I'ma put this shit in a cardboard box. Changing my number and I'm changing the locks. When you can't get in, all your heart gon' stop. You make me cry, but boy, I'm not. I'ma put this shit in a cardboard box. Changing my number and I'm changing the locks. Never liked your mama, so I guess she's blocked. You make me cry, but boy, I'm not.
Can you video me?
Wow, the ice cream is here.
Promote.
Thank you, Sir Cross.
Sir, that's your kuan?
Yeah.
Are you selling ice cream?
Yes, this is our family
Okay,
business.
let's kuan.
What's the name of
Central ice cream?
May clients sa
Organic.
BPI and
Kato na tag-English ni Res.
So, okay. Hala! Ate, so unique.
Saktor siguro na sa
Ayo, oy.
Saktura ni
Oh.
Sir Joe, look at that.
Wow.
The ice cream is so cold.
Yummers?
Avocado.
Why did you know that? It's the only one remaining. Nakurot na today. Hala!
Why
Sir
did
Joe,
you
you're the
know
one who
that?
make this?
night.
Wow, thank you, Sir Cross.
Testing. Uy, where's the kuan?
The big spoon.
Thank you, Sir
Just go for it.
Cross.
Let's go. I'm excited now.
No, it's
Yeah.
me. I'm having hard time. So I'm so excited and I can smell avocado.
Avocado.
Oh, hangin.
Central.
Bakit?
Oh, I like the taste. Perfect blend of sweetness.
Wow, that's avocado.
Awara, you're so clumsy. Wow.
Nawa sir, nakataon na kagwan sir, kaya nakakaon na makakaon. Ice
Sir
cream.
Cross, promise, it's a legit commendation.
I like the review 5 stars.
The review is 5. Perfect blend of the sweetness, the flavor avocado, and I think there's a coconut. Coconut milk.
Coconut milk, yeah.
And a little bit of sweat.
Sweat? Yeah, I feel it. I taste it.
Try it.
No, you don't need avocado.
What can you say?
You should try.
What can you say about the ice cream?
It's yummy, guys. Very, very flavory.
Alright, Sir Cross.
You can 3 liters. 4. Follow the steps.
Okay, first.
Come here, step 1. Eat 1 scoop of ice cream and receive the token.
And shake some.
And shake the tokens and say something on you.
Okay.
And eat some ice cream. Okay, first candidate number 1. Blake! Deb,
Speech.
here.
Okay,
And eat some ice cream.
Shake the eye.
No, don't.
How many of these?
Do not. Say something. Guess.
Oh,
Guess
yes,
ba?
last.
Guess the bill.
Uy, no, don't watch. Sige, thank you. Thank you, message.
Oh.
It's all mine. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Honor.
Ikaw na sa Besh. I'm Daniela and I'm pregnant.
The most punctual.
Sige. Say mo kasulti sa mong attendance. Okay, baby.
Usap ako.
Usap.
Ay, record.
Recorded ka niya.
Paligo na kaligo.
You're proud to say bye. I'm very thankful also to Sir Ariel
Thank
for
you,
letting
sir.
me become a part of this family.
The most in love person in the universe. Daisy from China.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Don't cry. I'll take some ice cream. Birthday boy! Ang uling ng Naga Cebu.
Ay, nanaga. Huwag lang, imagine na yung speech ako.
Actually,
Oh.
kailang po ko.
Sir.
Ako na lang isa ng message.
Shoot the ball.
Ayan.
Next, kay busy kayo ni siya. Si Lay!
Hoy!
What's with the Hey, the boots with the Wala. It's a costume. Pag boots, nakalik na.
Thank you sa Shopee. Shopee.
Oh, sponsored by Shopee. Hello, babe! With the most transgender and the most successful operation in China, in Thailand. Fisha Ravenna.
Speech.
Kami nga sa Central Ice Cream.
Nanay, kapunta ka sa ice cream.
Yeah. The most creative photographer. Si Malay Paltas. No need to eat it.
Open it.
Yay! Proud Bisaya Bay. So, mo to siya mga bay. Busog kayo, miss. Sa mga na pagkaon from Look. Hoy! Kakaba! So, mo to siya mga bay. Busog kayo, Mino. Nahuman na siya ng mong event, mini-event. So,
Yes, I really enjoyed and grabe no, 2 years and counting.
yes, grabe, no? So, again, guys, kung ganahan mo na mag-order sa inyong mga events, wedding, birthday, sa pa na siya,
Breakup.
just contact Lunette's Catering, guys, for your
Very
catering
recommended.
services.
Highly
Yes.
recommended. Very tasty and as well as grabe, mabusog ka. Magbalik-balik ka. Yes.
So, thank you so much, guys. Before we'll end this vlog, of course, we want to thank everyone,
Oh yeah.
each one of you guys, sa pag-support sa Proud Bisaya Bay. We hope na magpadayon ka mo sa pag-suporta sa Proud Bisaya Bay.
Thank you so much. Without you, we're not gonna be able to be in this kind of happy situation. So
Yes.
thank you so much. Heart, and see you next vlog. Bye.
Proud Bisaya Bay would like to thank the following: Lunette's Catering, Wendy's Cake, Kusina Lucas, and The Green Canteen.
Ug usab mga bay, daghang salamat sa inyong walay hunong nga pagsuporta.